Hey there guys, Brent Blaze here. Welcome along to this video. If you're looking for the fastest path to build out a proven to convert sales funnel without all the headaches or hiring expensive tech guys, stick around in this video guys. I'm going to share with you my number one recommended solution that I and tens of thousands of other entrepreneurs use to build out scientifically proven to convert funnels. If you're looking to become a best-selling author, there's a funnel for that. If you want to capture leads, there's a funnel for that too. If you want to sell a product, sell a service, or sell to another business, there's funnels for all those things guys. And this is extremely easy to use. I'm going to show you how quick it is right now, so stay tuned. So the first step is to choose the type of sales funnel that we want, and we can sift, sort and aggregate through all the options by choosing the type of industry we're in, or even the type of funnel, so the ultimate objective that we want to achieve with the funnel. So I'm just going to pick one of these at random here. I'll select this lead magnet funnel. So a lead magnet is something you give away in exchange for a person's contact information, something they perceive to be valuable to that particular target audience. It could be a free report guys, it could be a video, it could be a PDF, whatever it may be, something that they're willing to make that transaction and give you the contact information. That way you're able to follow up with them guys and convert more sales in the back end. So here we can see the number of pages involved in this particular funnel. This is a lead funnel guys, that's the type of funnel, and an estimated 30 minutes to create this. We've got an overview here. That guy right there, Russell Brunson, is the founder and the creator of this software, ClickFunnels guys, an absolute marketing legend and a marketing genius, one of the best on earth arguably, in my personal opinion right now. If we click on funnel map here, it's going to give us a brief bird's eye view of what this funnel is going to look like. So as I said, a 2-page funnel. Here we're going to be grabbing our prospects' attention, capturing their contact information in exchange for the lead magnet, and we're going to be bringing them over to a thank you page where we're going to give them access to their free download, whatever it may be. And this software can automatically follow up with the leads that are generated guys, sending out emails to help make conversions. And if you're not sure about what to say at each of these steps, or even in the emails, I'm going to leave a link in the description for an incredible software that actually writes every part of your sales funnel for you, including emails if you want. Extremely powerful guys, and it's specifically tailored to ClickFunnels, the software. So once we've chosen the type of sales funnel that we want, under the steps navigation menu here, we'll see each step along the left hand side. So obviously a more complex funnel like a webinar funnel where you have registration pages, replays for the webinar, these will be seen along the left hand column here guys. So you basically go through them one at a time and choose what template you want. I'm literally going to select the very first template here. I'll just show you how easy it is to actually navigate and edit each of the pages. We can also run split tests guys. So let's say we want to split between a red button and a green button, or two separate headlines. We can do that. So we could come in here, create a split test version of this and swap out whatever's said in the headline, and then figure out, this is literally going to tell us, give us a confidence score and tell us which one won once we get a certain amount of visitors. It's really that simple. And for split testing, I always recommend just testing one variable at a time, not more than one guys, because then you don't know what actually had an impact. Here we can navigate this predefined template. These are scientifically proven to convert as well guys. So I choose one that's congruent with the type of layout that you want, and then just basically swap out the basics. So we can choose anything here. If I click on settings for any aspect of it here, we can edit what the actual button says. We can change the color of it, the size of it, everything guys. So it's extremely intuitive to navigate. We can move out this video, we can see what it's going to look like on a mobile device guys, and all these pages inside of this software is optimized for mobile, because we're in the mobile revolution and 70% of your website visitors are going to be on a mobile device. So that's absolutely crucial guys. So once we've chosen that, we just basically click on save, we choose a name for it, and simple as that. So you would then simply come along in the same way, click on each step in the specific type of sales funnel that you had selected, and click on a template and adjust accordingly. And as I said, if you're not sure or you feel unsure about what to say on each specific page, I highly recommend you check out that other link in the description too guys, that's going to give you access to the software that'll essentially write each of these pages for you. It's pretty incredible. Under the stats column, we're going to see unique visitors, we're going to see opt-in rates for our pages, and any of those split tests that we decide. It's going to show us what's working, what's not working, and we can adjust accordingly. And that's barely scratching the surface of what this software is capable of. It really is an all-in-one solution where everything is under one roof. It used to wreck my head trying to glue together multiple softwares. I'd have to purchase a shopping cart over here, I'd have to purchase tracking software, split test software, domain names, hosting. You can literally say goodbye to autoresponders, hosting, everything guys. This is literally an all-in-one solution where everything's integrated together, everything you could possibly need, guys, and they're constantly innovating and coming up with more advanced ways to really make this as simple as possible. There's no previous experience required here, guys. You can say goodbye to expensive tech guys or expensive copywriters. This allows any entrepreneur to come along, click a few buttons, and have a proven, scientifically proven to convert sales funnel set up. And to prove my point, is anyone actually getting results through using this software? So much so that there's an entire website dedicated to people that have not just made multiple thousands and six figures, but even millions of dollars in revenue in the sales funnel that they created inside of this software. And if I start to scroll down, you will see endless companies, guys, people that have built out sales funnels in all types of industries, all type of market verticals. Doesn't matter what you're selling or who you're selling to, guys. This is something that you can use to really automate and systemize your business so that you can work on your business instead of in your business and create that leverage that you want and the income that you desire. So I highly recommend it, guys. And if you visit fastfunnels.io, you can get a free 14-day trial, guys. You can go in there, explore the entire thing. You'll see just how awesome it is. I know you'll be a customer for life, just like I am. It's incredible. I hope to see you on the inside, and I hope to see you on that wall of success stories, guys. All the best, my friend.